Hello, today you will learn about
Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn les salutations means greetings in French. Salutations are common greetings which we use in our day-to-day life. It helps us to communicate with people. If you are planning to go to France or learning French, you will find this video extremely helpful. Okay then, let's start. Les salutations. Bonjour. Bonjour. So it's a greeting which we use to wish in any part of the day. It's a kind of a hi hello in a formal way. Okay. So we use it in the formal context most of the time and we pronounce it bonjour. Then next we have bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. It is used for the good afternoon. So whenever you want to wish good afternoon to someone, you can use bon après-midi. Then we have bonsoir. Bonsoir is good evening. So in the evening, we can use this when we want to wish someone as good evening. We can say bonsoir. Then bonne nuit is for good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Then next we have Monsieur. Monsieur is Mr. or Sir. So when you want to address someone as Sir or Mr., so you can use Monsieur. Monsieur. Then we have Madame. Madame is used for addressing females, married females or the elder ones. We use Madame. 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 Then we have Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle is used to refer females who are unmarried or quite young. So we say Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. We can also use these two words together like Bonjour, monsieur. Bon après-midi, madame. Bonsoir, mademoiselle. Bonne nuit, madame. So this way we can use them. Next we have merci. Merci is used to say thank you. So now it's quite similar with the English word mercy, but there is a difference in the pronunciation. So pronunciation is merci. Merci. Désolé. Désolé is sorry. Désolé, monsieur. Désolé, madame. Then we have s'il vous plaît and s'il te plaît. So both means please. Now s'il vous plaît is used in the formal context and s'il te plaît is used in the informal context. If you are saying please to your or in your office or to your office colleague, so you can say s'il vous plaît. But if you are saying it to your brother, sister or someone younger to you, you can use s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Both means please. Next we have enchanté. Enchanté is for nice to meet you. When you meet someone and you want to say a goodbye, and you can say enchanté. Then we have au revoir. Au revoir is for goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, madame. Then excusez-moi. Excusez-moi is for excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Désolé. Merci. Excusez-moi. So we can use in the context where we want to excuse someone. Right? Excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Right? So we can again merge any of the two words with the excusez-moi according to the context. Now let's see this conversation, small conversations in French for the day-to-day life. Like the very first word is ça va. Ça va means how are you? Okay. And the reply for this will be ça va as well. It's like fine, fine, okay, okay, this way. So ça va can be used as a question and as a answer as well, as a response as well. Okay, so how we can ask the questions like ça va, comment ça va, comment ça va, or we can ask in a formal way that we can say comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous. So comment allez-vous is a formal way of asking question. Ça va and comment ça va are the informal ways of asking how are you. Now let's see their responses. So if someone asks you in an informal way, you can reply ça va bien, or ça va bien, merci. So these replies can be used ça va bien, merci. And if we want to answer the formal question, that is comment allez-vous, we can say je vais bien, je vais bien, je vais bien. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. So I hope this lesson is useful for you and you can learn the basic salutations which we use in our day-to-day life. Au revoir.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.